Amazing! Welcome to the video. So this is for healthcare and financial companies, and we're going to talk about how to transform user experience and streamline your processes using custom software. And we're going to do this without any upfront costs or compliance hassles, or losing control over the direction of your project. This is the exact system that helped a healthcare company launch a HIPAA-compliant minimum viable product and then a fully functional SaaS platform that simplified and streamlined their entire insurance claim process. And here's an image of that exact interface. The same system also generated a mobile app and then a progressive web app to boost a fintech company's payment solutions, which included face, voice, and palm recognition, tap to pay, QR code, and e-wallet platforms. And here's a few images showing that mobile device interface. And then this is the progressive web app interface, which integrates with computers. So this system has also generated over 100 custom projects from blockchain creation to ERP integrations for major companies such as these, with an overwhelming number of positive reviews. So you might be thinking to yourself, wow, this sounds great, but how do I know it's for me and my business? So this is for you if you're the CEO, founder, owner, or other key decision maker for a healthcare or financial small to medium enterprise or startup, and you're frustrated by the high costs and rigid structures associated with custom technology. And you're wanting to modernize your technology to stay ahead or competitive in today's digital market. You may also want to shift your focus back to the core aspects of your business instead of focusing on technology management. Finally, you're interested in seeing how your product vision can come to life within weeks without any upfront costs, compliance hurdles, or compromising control over the production. Here's the truth. Many healthcare and financial SMEs face an uphill battle when it comes to adopting custom software. You know your current technology won't get you ahead, yet you hesitate to take on the overwhelming costs and effort of hiring in-house teams. If you have tried, you know that managing that process with a full staff, ensuring compliance, and adapting to evolving tech needs can feel impossible. Chances are, you tried almost everything to update and customize your technology. And you're frustrated. Why? Because you're not seeing the returns that you expected. Here's the thing, you're not failing because these methods don't work. They do, but not at the speed, price, or the flexibility you need them to, especially when you're trying to scale. The result, many businesses end up stuck in a cycle, either paying way too much for an in-house solution that's slow to adapt, or relying on outdated technology that just can't keep up with today's demands. And here's some more of those risks of using outdated technologies. Now let's cut through the noise. There's one solution that can transform your software strategy, partnering with a flexible, full-stack development team. Our team offers iterative, compliance-driven software solutions that scale along with your business. Whether you're aiming for an MVP, a SaaS product, a comprehensive platform, or integrating AI into your business, we provide the flexibility and expertise you need without stretching your budget or forcing a lengthy timeline. But why us? Because we've developed a system that works specifically for healthcare and financial companies, delivering custom software solutions that align with your business model and regulatory needs. Our approach is agile and keeps you in the loop, so every decision reflects your vision and needs without overwhelming you with all the technical details. So if you're ready to get the product off the ground with a process that's as flexible and scalable as your goals, keep watching. Also, by the way, my name is Clay O'Bella. You might be wondering to yourself, who's this guy promising to integrate top-of-the-line custom technical solutions into my business? It's a fair question, so let me clarify a few things. Founding my original company, Find IT Leads, led me directly to an incredibly interactive partnership with Metricoid Technology Solutions. Myself and Metricoid CEO Amarjit Kumar work hand in hand with the goal of helping companies in highly regulated industries such as healthcare and finance scale with custom technology through a unique development process. We understand your market, and we know how to deliver custom software that meets today's standards and for compliance and performance. And outside of Metricoid, I'm all about soccer. I've played soccer at the NCAA Division I level at James Madison University and now professionally in Charlotte, North Carolina. Climbing the ranks to compete at this high level has taught me valuable skills such as preparation, discipline, leadership, and a strong sense of competitiveness, all of which have been incredibly helpful in this line of work. So that's a bit about me. Now let's dive into the action steps on how to actually make this happen. Step 1. Ditch outdated development models and embrace our agile process. Look, if you're still relying on those slow, old-school development models, you're burning time and left in the dark, or missing out on the essential features that complete your vision. Imagine swapping those inefficient methods for an iterative approach that adapts in real time. Our system delivers a compliant framework that lets you get started with an MVP and scale it as your needs grow, saving you time and reducing that unnecessary spending. We don't just hand over a project and hope that it works. Instead, we collaborate closely with your team to set specific milestones and keeping the development agile so we can test, improve, and scale as the project evolves. Pro tip: reduce your initial spend and minimize risk by adapting and responding to real-time feedback and market changes. Step 2, build a vision-driven compliant solution. One of the biggest struggles for healthcare and financial companies is staying compliant with a range of regulations from HIPAA, GDPR, PCI DSS, and many more. Our approach begins with regulatory requirements in mind, so you're never left wondering if your solution is legally secure. Beyond compliance, our team works with you to define a clear vision. We don't just ask what you need. We dig deeper to fully understand the core objectives driving your project. Then, we map out the most effective solution that precisely fits your current needs and the ability to scale and change based on your goals. Pro tip: with compliance baked into every stage, you eliminate the need for costly last-minute adjustments and ensure that your solution remains scalable and compliant from day one. Step 3, keep control without the technical burden. At every step of the process, you are in control. We work with full transparency, giving you access to the project's progress, allowing you to make informed decisions, and ensuring that there are no surprises. Our approach lets you manage the project strategically without getting bogged down in all the technical details. We focus on delivering regular, actionable updates so you can stay engaged without wasting your time or resources. Pro tip: remain actively involved in planning and production decisions, ensuring that the final product aligns with your company's goals and values. Step 4, launch faster, scale seamlessly. Traditional projects are time-consuming, involving rigid timelines and complex transitions. Our approach allows us to launch core features quickly, providing value to your customers while the platform is still evolving. We prioritize rapid deployment of MVPs, allowing you to get to market faster and iterate based on user feedback. With our scalable framework, adding new features or capabilities is easy. You won't need an entire redevelopment every time your business needs change. Instead, we will seamlessly update and provide additions to your existing platform. Pro tip: fast tracking your MVP lets your product gain traction and start generating value quickly while allowing you to make real-time adjustments as necessary. So in summary, when polling the market, we found the key desires for software development are a flexible, iterative process that saves time and adapts to changing needs, full regulatory compliance built into each and every stage of development, an agile, adaptable framework that allows the ability to scale without limits, continuous communication and control so you always know where the project stands, and transparent, fair pricing based on your specific requirements and without any upfront costs. Now, there are a few ways for you to achieve this. Option one is you can handle it all in-house. However, you have to manage hiring and training a new team, then hoping that the right solution falls into place. The timeline it takes to see real progress is long and unpredictable, and it will cost you at least over $20,000 per month. Option 2 is you partner with us and see results in real time. So let's recap some of those benefits that you'll get when you partner with us. You'll see your tech ideas come to life with a clear, predictable path to launch. You'll save on costs and time by skipping the hiring process and reducing overhead. Your project will remain agile, allowing the software to adapt to any of the desired modifications without reworking the core. You'll experience peace of mind knowing compliance is fully handled from the ground up. And most importantly, you'll gain a partner, not just a vendor, who is as committed to your success as you are. So if you are interested in seeing how Metricoid can benefit your company, book a call from the link below to speak with both myself and CEO Amarjit Kumar. Our process is limited to a few clients each quarter, so we can maintain the quality and personalization needed. So if you are interested, I do not recommend waiting. So let's summarize this offer. We'll build your project iteratively and transparently, keeping you engaged and in control at every step. We'll handle every regulatory requirement, ensuring compliance from the beginning. We'll be there to manage and hold your hand through every aspect of development. We'll provide free consulting and maintenance throughout and after the development process. And we will create a personalized, flexible pricing model specifically for your situation with zero upfront costs. And here's a few other benefits that you'll get when working with us. So, if you're serious about transforming your technology without breaking the bank, book a call here. Appreciate your time watching the video and hope to see you in a call shortly.